Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix 5G not working on your iPhone. Sometimes your iPhone may show only LTE or 4G even when your phone supports 5G. This can happen because 5G is not enabled, your carrier plan does not support 5G, 5G is not available in your area, low power mode is turned on, or your network settings are not working properly. Let's fix it step by step. First, make sure your iPhone supports 5G. Apple added 5G support starting with the iPhone 12 series, so if you are using iPhone 12 or a newer model, your device should support 5G. Next, make sure your mobile carrier supports 5G. Also check if your SIM card and mobile data plan are 5G enabled. Even if your iPhone supports 5G, it will not show 5G if your carrier plan does not support it. Also make sure 5G is available in your current location. If there is no 5G coverage in your area, your iPhone will continue using LTE or 4G. Now try the basic fixes. Turn airplane mode on and then turn it off again. This refreshes the mobile network connection on your iPhone. Next, restart your iPhone once. Also turn off low power mode because iPhone may limit 5G usage to save battery. To do this, open settings, tap battery. Now turn off low power mode. If you are using a physical SIM card, remove the SIM card, wait for a few seconds and insert it again. Do not delete an eSIM unless your carrier asks you to do it. Now check if 5G starts working. If 5G still does not appear, make sure 5G is enabled in settings. Open settings on your iPhone, tap cellular or mobile data. Tap cellular data options or mobile data options. Now tap voice and data. Here, select 5G Auto or 5G On. For most users, 5G Auto is the better option because it uses 5G when needed and saves battery when 5G is not required. After selecting this, go back and check if the 5G icon appears in the status bar. If 5G still does not work, reset your APN settings. Open settings, tap cellular or mobile data. Open cellular data network or mobile data network. Scroll down and tap reset settings. Tap reset again to confirm. After this, restart your iPhone and check if 5G is working. If nothing works, reset network settings. This will remove saved Wi-Fi networks, Bluetooth connections, VPN settings and network preferences. It will not delete your apps, photos or personal files. Open settings, tap general. Scroll down and tap transfer or reset iPhone. Tap reset. Now select reset network settings. Enter your passcode if asked. Tap reset network settings again to confirm. After the reset, reconnect to your Wi-Fi if needed and check your mobile network. If 5G is still not working after all these steps, contact your mobile carrier. They can confirm if 5G is active on your SIM, plan and location. Quick recap. First, check if your iPhone, SIM, carrier and area support 5G. Then, turn off low power mode, restart your iPhone and toggle airplane mode. Next, select 5G Auto or 5G On from voice and data settings. Then, reset APN settings. Finally, reset network settings if nothing else works. I hope this guide helped you fix 5G not working on your iPhone. For more simple iPhone tutorials like this, subscribe to our channel.